To generate AI pixel art sprites using image generators, there are various options here, but we are going to explore two which are actually optimized for it. First is CopyRocket's AI image art generator, and second is MidJourney. So MidJourney is also available free, and CopyRocket's AI art generator is also available free. So what you need to do is go to the link in the description of where you find the prompt. So you will land on the blog here, and in the first method you will find a finalized prompt here like gaming assets, pixel character, full body sprites. So this is the very basic prompt, and next you need to add a demon slayer, which is a type of character you want to create, and what characteristics you want to have to that particular character. For example, here you can change demon slayer to angel, bard, demon, and knight, and afterwards you can add what you want that particular character to have. For example, here is burning sword, or if you want to create a golden wand or a magic wand and something like that. And then you can also add the color, hair's color, and you can also add the classification. For example, if you want it to be a male, a female, or a monster, or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. This is about the gaming assets. Pixel character full body sprites, demon slayer, which will be a character, burning sword will be a characteristics or a weapon my character to have, and then the cape color, then the hair color, and there you go. You can also add more to it, like the dress color or the type of dress you want and something like that. So I've just copied it, and going to the get started off button, you will land to this sign up page and sign up for the free account. There you need to click on this dashboard button, and after that you need to go to the AI image option here. So we have a 3 image models available for you. First is DALL-E, second is Stable Diffusion, and third is Flux. But to be honest, for this particular thing, we have an optimized version in Stable Diffusion. So select the Stable Diffusion, and in the right side, we have an image style. So in the image style section, you need to select pixel art, right? And there is an image resolution, and set it to 1024 1024. And also select the number of images. I will select the number of images to 2 or 1. I suggest you to be a 1 because you will eat up more credits, because if you don't like it, you can generate it again. Okay, and there I will copy and paste my command here. So we have a gaming asset, this sprites and demon slayer, burning sword, red gradient cape, golden hair, and I want it to be a girl. So this is something which you want, and you can type that out and or edit however you want. And after that, click on create. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to create, and as you can see, I've already created some of this. So you will find here, there you go. So get the multiple sprites here, and after you get that, you can download it. Okay, and for the background removal part, we also have a background remover, and going to the remove BG, upload that particular file, and you will be able to delete the background from it. For example, here what we have downloaded, and going to this and remove background, click on generate, and it will remove the background. So there you go. So you will get all in the PNG. You can copy or cut out however you want. So next tool which I'm going to suggest is MidJourney. So I've already created here, but let me create it again for you. Let me use this text or a prompt which I've already generated. So there is a game. So we will try a different prompt. Pixel character full body spice demon. I want it to be a knight. For this, I want it to be a burning sword, but I want it to be have a red gradient, golden hair, or I would say a golden helmet. I want this to be a monster, right? And just type this. And you can also explore the settings, but I have keep it to default. So the resolution is 1 by 1, and there is aesthetics you want to change. I don't think you need to do that, because we have already defined our aesthetics to be pixel character full body sprites. So it will take some time to generate, and there you go. So you have got this for, I don't think this is in the pixel format. So you can copy and download and replace the background which we have done before and continue creating it. But if you don't want the multiple, or you just want to create a art, you can also define that in the input prompt box. So that's all. These are the tools, and for more prompts you can find a link in the description box where you can generate or inspire how to engineer your prompts. So see you in this next video. Till then, bye bye.